My guess is that you're on your phone watching this video, and if you are, then this is just the video for you. If you're not, adios. Just kidding, you're still gonna wanna watch this. Anywho, there's this new money-making app that I've discovered, and I'm gonna share it with you in today's video. This is a great way to earn cash without needing to shell out any of your own to get started. You're gonna wanna watch this whole video because I'm gonna share more than one, and it's always a good idea to try all of them so that you have multiple income streams and you're able to make more money. Stay with me, folks. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Alright, so you're going to want to pay very close attention to this whole video because if you don't follow my steps to a T, there is a chance that you can miss out on making a lot of money. So pay very close attention, stay with me until the end of this video. The very first thing that you're going to need to do is create a PayPal account if you don't already have one. So of course you want to be able to earn your money and have it sent straight to your account, right? So to be able to do that and be able to ensure that you actually get paid, you're going to want to create a free PayPal account by going to paypal.com. PayPal is available in most countries and most of the countries are listed right here. So if you take a look at this, you see your country here, then you can sign up for free for a PayPal account. If you don't see your country, do not fret because there is a chance that it can get added in the future. So go ahead, hit this button right here, sign up for a free account. Do that and you can start getting money sent straight to this account and have your cash in hand in no time. Once you've filled in all of the personal information that they've asked for, bada bing bada boom, you have got yourself a free account and you are ready to start earning money. Anywho, you're gonna wanna listen up, pay attention because I'm gonna show you a way to be able to earn $10,000 really quickly. And with the help of all of these apps, you're gonna be on your way to making thousands of dollars and it's gonna change your life. So you're gonna wanna listen up.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Alrighty, so the very first app that we're gonna use is gonna be this one, and basically all you need to do to get paid is answer some surveys, which is really easy to do, right? These surveys are really short and they're very easy to answer, so they're a really great way to make money. They basically just ask you a few questions and all you have to do is reply with your honest answer. So since they do ask for some personal information sometimes or things that are related to you as a person, you might be wondering what happens to the data. And if you read their terms and conditions, you actually can find exactly what happens to all of your data. And you can be sure that with this app, all of your answers are secure. So I would say try it out. This website is legit and signing up is really easy to do. All you have to do is answer a few questions and you could be on your way to earning hundreds of dollars really quickly. There are a few steps that you need to follow to be able to get started, and the first step is to choose what kind of data you're going to be sharing. And if you've already decided on that, you're ready to start earning and you're going to move on to step number 2. So you go to the App Store and download the app, and as you can see, it actually has really high ratings. It has more than 4 stars and a lot of people have rated this application, so you can tell that it is legit. So once you've checked out the app on the App Store, you can go ahead and download it, and right after that you can sign up for an account. And once your account is up and running, you are ready to take surveys and start earning money. As you can see right here, they actually do notify you every single time that you have a survey that you can take. So you can just check out their notifications, be up to date with them, and take every single survey that is available to you. Alrighty, so we're moving on to our next app, and this is what the application looks like. And you can go ahead and download this on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store, whichever phone you have, it works on. This app actually pays higher than the last one, so I highly suggest trying this one out as well because I know that you're gonna love it. Similar to the last app, this app also has you complete surveys, answer simple questions, and then you get paid for those answers. One of the downsides though is that this app is only available in the US, so to be able to access it from any country in the world, you're gonna have to download a VPN or use some sort of application that's gonna show that your location is in the United States. Now, if you take a look here, you'll see that this brand is really legit because they've worked with some other really big companies like Coca-Cola, Expedia, L'Oreal, Sony Music, CBS, Amazon. The list goes on and on. And if you actually go ahead and scroll down, you'll see some testimonials from people who've used the app, who've been paid, and you'll see that there are a lot of people that have left positive reviews as well for this app. And they have flash surveys, quick surveys, and premium surveys that you can answer and get paid for. Now, each type of survey pays a different amount, so you're gonna wanna look for the ones that pay the most. And this application also pays through different gift cards like Amazon gift cards, PayPal gift cards, or even Starbucks gift cards. Alright, so let's move on to the third app that I'm going to introduce to you today, and if you take a look at it, this is what the app looks like. This is a really great app to use if you happen to be on the go. You won't be answering surveys to earn money. Instead, they actually pay you for going out and shopping and doing stuff outside of your house. This app actually does pay more than the last two apps, and all you need to do is look at this list of stores, buy whatever they ask you to buy, and you could earn money. So you can pretty much take your pick as to what kind of tasks you want to be able to do to earn. So whether you want to answer surveys like in the first two apps, or you want to just go out and shop and have fun, you can do that too and earn money while doing it. This app is really cool because they pay you to eat out, to go shopping, so you can go out and have fun and still make money. Now, similar to the last app, you do have to be in a certain area to be able to use this, so you have to be within the US or the UK, because all of these restaurants and stores are located in those two countries. But do not fret, because the next couple apps I share with you are ones that you're going to be able to use from anywhere in the world. So basically how it works is you go out, you buy whatever they ask you to buy, or go to whatever restaurant they ask you to go to, you take pictures, you leave a review, and then you get paid for your opinion. Signing up for this app is super easy to do, and payments get sent out within 48 hours of cashing out. All you need to do is have a PayPal account, and signing up for PayPal, as I said earlier, is free to do. You can start doing this today and start watching the cash roll in a matter of hours. Alrighty, are we ready for the next app? Yeah? Alright, so this app is called Cash Magnet. You can download it on your Android device, and you actually get paid for doing nothing on here. You don't need to answer any surveys, you don't need to play any games, you don't need to do anything. It's just passive income, and you can watch the money start rolling in. You literally get paid for every second that you're on here, so it's a really great app to use, and you literally don't have to do anything, so I highly suggest trying it out. Now, since you pretty much aren't doing anything on this app, you might be wondering about the security of the app and whether your data will get shared, but if you take a look at the terms and conditions, you'll actually see that it's a really secure app to use, so I would say go ahead and try it out. So signing up for an account on here is free. That is why I recommend doing this, because it's really easy to do. All you have to do is sit around and watch the money start rolling in, and you could have hundreds of dollars really quickly. Now, you can download all of these apps and do all of the surveys, do all of these tasks, and be able to make a lot of money through multiple income streams. Anywho, those are all the apps I have for you today, so go ahead, download the app, sign up for free accounts, sign up for a free PayPal account, and you could have multiple income streams in a matter of minutes.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.